Okay, folks, today we're going to be talking about the 162FB by Catalina. It's the Summit Series. This is an awesome small trailer. You're looking at about 2,800 pounds dry. So you can have a small truck to tow something like this. This is a really good entry-level trailer. Really nice construction. Come around here, as you can see, it has a diamond plate on front right here. And you still get a little nice pass-through storage, okay? And also you have a solar hookup right here if you want to hook up an external solar panel. You can call me about questions with that. This also has a power awning, outside speakers. Come on inside, guys. It's a really short trailer, but you're gonna like it. So, if you come around here, it's pretty simple. You have the bed, you have your dinette right here, and you have your kitchen right here in this little small trailer. As you can see, you have USB plugs right here, storage right here. You get a 2-burner, and you have a microwave right here. I promise it's a microwave. Big storage right there. You have overhead storage all the way around. If you could see, storage goes all the way around in here. You do have an AC in this little guy. Independent LED lights. What else? More storage right here. Then you have the regular size fridge. This is any other trailer. And then check this out. You actually get a bathroom with a fan and a toilet. Yeah. Then if you come around here, it's a really short one, guys. 16 feet, but you get this big closet right here for hanging closet. That's almost much more than in any of the other bigger trailers. This little Summit does come with a nice Jensen stereo, which also acts as a DVD/Bluetooth player. So you can play your music on the inside or outside speakers. Come on around here. If you want to add a backup camera, you can do that. Has a spare tire. This even have an outside shower. The benefit to that is if your dog gets sandy or get in mud, you can clean them off without having to take them inside. You'll like this little guy. Small trailer, plug-ins, cable. This is a really awesome entry-level trailer of someone that doesn't want a really big trailer. If you have a small truck, give me a call about the Summit Series Catalina. My name is Anthony Fuller. They call me the Ant-Man. 541-653-2818. Thank you.